Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I just want to go over some of the licks that I played on the last short. Let's try to show you how actually I get to the point where I can actually play a fill without thinking about it too much. First of all, the scale that we are using is the diminished scale starting from the C, and it's the semitone version. These little semitones are very useful in the scale because you can do your trill, you can slide, you can do your hammers. Let's have a look at the first feel. I'm following this scale. When I get to the C, I have the typical trill and pull, hammer and pull. So after the trill, I go back to the G, and then I move here, I'm playing F to E flat, and then here, I can play D flat, the flat 9, and then go to the 7th, and I land on the 7th of the C chord. You can start that type of phrasing anywhere, following the D flat diminished chord. So this is where the first idea comes from. This is how the second fill starts. And then I follow the scale again. And I also use the slides again with the semitones when I have them available. So third fill starts with the C major triad, and then I slide to the F sharp or the G flat, yeah? And I'm using again the C half diminished triad backwards. So I have C major, going up, down. Now here's where I use E flat and D flat to get the sound again of the diminished sound. I got the flat 9, and then G and B flat, and I'm back to the sound of the chord. Feel number 4. So what do I have here? And then I'm trying to move inside again. Although for me, the diminished scale is not really an outside sound. You know, you have the flat 3 of the dominant chord, you have the flat 5, and you have the flat 9. It's a bluesy chord. Here I have again, I moved to C, and now I was thinking of that G shape. You know, remember we did at the beginning, G? Yeah? And I have pull. I'm back inside that G minor blues. You just need to practice on the scale, and then you get used to it, you know? The last fill starts outside. I pull from E flat to D flat. I go to A, G, and then here I'll go 4th again, D flat, G flat, E flat. And then I'm back inside. You know? Still cool. Here are all the 5 licks I played. Thank you so much for enjoying the video. I do practice fills. I do practice them, guys. And I try to get better with this particular sound. And I try to make it feel natural. So whatever you practice, just repeat it. It's muscle memory over and over. And then use a bit of technique, and you find some very sweet things that come from you. Right? Yeah? I look forward to do the next one. See you soon.